next person coming out, this is a beautiful woman. I really love her. You know, she's my little everything. This is my best friend, and honestly, the best person out here in giving her speech. Betty Science, sorry.
His legacy, his change, and his people. What if our people did not fight for their social justice? What if we, the generation of the future, never talked about the groundbreaking history created by people like us? Today as we know it would never be the same. Underlying questions and concerns of will we be treated equally, and never-ending constant put-down from those in which we differ in skin tone, but yet bleed the same blood. So we commemorate the hardships of those before us, who put themselves at risk. Men, women, children, and activists, all too alike. All to prove that their rights matter. August 28th, 1963, the infamous I Have a Dream speech was spoken on this important day. Our lives begin to end the day we become silent about the things that matter. The man himself, Martin Luther King Jr., he spoke with influential words as he jointly fought to end the rights of people, marched to Montgomery to end with the unbearable pain of many. His words were motivational. They grew from an understanding in which all human beings are created equal. The words that he spoke brought light, and hope to the light that idly stood in its place, trying to find itself. He constantly signaled the beginning of change. An individual would most likely define taking a stand in its basic definition of telling someone what needs to change. But King and innumerable activists all alike saw the meaning of this saying. The power of opposing the wrongs of reality, shown through peaceful protest and beautiful persuasive speaking. Many with brave and determined demeanors of taking a stand. Countless moments in history where African Americans come together. Their hearts bled from agony as to how they were being denied, abused, arrested, taken for granted, to which all they asked for in return was love and unity. Martin Luther King Jr. taught us how coming together can create change. He was a man of power and passion. He wanted to provide his people with no more bitter days. He was a mentor. He was a leader. And to us, he was a gifted individual. And today, we follow with our heads held high. His legacy, his people, and his change. Reflecting on the accomplishments that he's done for the nation, all leading up to this day, January 17th. Yet, pain is a word that holds many grievances. And so, we talk about the effects through tears of one's cry. Although time has passed, with many years still ahead, we cannot ignore the brutal and harsh reality of a word that still holds so much pain, racism. No matter our color, our eyes, our hair, our hands, none of these features should hold us at a different standard. In so many ways, we are all the same, and we should acknowledge this fact. Come together, create unity, and ask yourself, can you make a change? Thank you.